Everyone says it's gotta be cheap to own a Toyota Corolla, but how cheap is it really? I'm gonna break down gas, maintenance, insurance, and more to show you exactly what something like this can cost on a yearly basis. Now, the total at the end absolutely surprised me on how much this car costs yearly, monthly, and even weekly. However, I talk about how much I paid for this car in the previous video. It was $11,000 total. I get into the exact reasons for that in the previous video where I talked about all the things I love and the things I hate about the car. Now, starting off with insurance. That is something that is super variable per state and your individual driving record and stuff. Mine's been pretty great, thank the Lord. It is around $120 a month for full coverage, and that's gonna go off the Kelley Blue Book value of your car, of course. I'm with Allstate. Again, that's super variable. I'm in Louisiana. We're known for having higher insurance than other states, but I do know friends that pay like $200 a month for full coverage on cars that are even less expensive. Next, let's talk about gas. So I get around 31 miles per gallon. I drive a bit in the city. I drive a bit highway. It's a bit of a mix. I'd say mostly highway, but I get around 31 miles per gallon. That goes up to 40 if I'm on the highway. It goes down to like 28 if I'm in the city. Anyway, average 31. I put around 13,000 miles this year on my vehicle. So let's do the quick math on that. So you divide the total miles for the year, 13,000. We're gonna divide that by 31 average miles per gallon. We get around 419, and we're gonna times that by the average gas price in Louisiana. This is probably gonna freak most of you out. It's $2.90 about last year. We range from anywhere from $2.72 all the way to like $3 a gallon. Again, this is Louisiana, not very expensive for gas compared to many other states. That comes out to around $1,216 for gas for the year. Now, maintenance, I'm gonna get into. This is a 2019 car, so we're getting around 7 years old. I've had it for like 2 of those years, almost 3 now. Tire maintenance, I've changed 2 tires. That cost around $245. If you were to change all 4, I can imagine it's from like $450 to $600, just depending on what tires you buy, of course, and what shop you get to put them on. As far as that, oil changes with 13,000 miles, I've done at least 2. Cost me $38.53 for the oil and the filter, which I do myself. And then as far as tire rotations, whenever I do my oil changes, I just look at the tread, and if I need to rotate them, I do that myself as well. Also, I think it's fair to throw it in there, when I got the car, it was right over 50,000 miles. So I did get the CVT transmission flushed. That cost me around $265. If you go to a dealership, that's more like $450. So just something to keep in mind. I think Toyota recommends that every 50,000 miles. And as far as just things going wrong, the only thing this past year was this bumper was sticking out just a little bit. So I got some epoxy. It was like some JB Weld epoxy, and we just laid it down in there, held it for a couple minutes, and it has held up amazing for like over 10,000 miles. That stuff is great. I'll actually leave a little link in the description if you want to check that out on Amazon. That JB Weld epoxy stuff absolutely works for bumpers. Now, if I ever have to take that bumper off in the future, probably won't be super fun, but it's not the end of the world because it is just some epoxy. It's not like concrete. So let's add up gas, 2 oil changes, the little bit of epoxy there, the basic transmission flush, insurance, of course, and we'll throw in 2 new tires as well. That gives us around $3,251 a year this car has cost me over the whole year. Break that down into 12 months, and monthly that is $270 a month, or like $67 a week. Or if you want to get really technical, around 25 cents every single mile. Also, one great thing about getting this car at somewhat of a deal is the depreciation is pretty much non-existent. I think I could still sell this car with its 79,000 miles, being a 2019 hatchback. I think I could get around 14 for it. So I think we're still in the clear, even after a little bit of money we put into it with some different small mods. But overall, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. It is not even funny. It's been a huge goal of mine to hit. Thank you so much, though, to the 885 of you who are already subscribed to the channel. That is amazing. I love you guys. Have a blessed day, and I will see you next time.